So I think it's obvious that the Speedcube is better, but is it really better? I'm going to test it in 3 rounds, and in the end I'll do an average of 5 with both cubes. In the red corner we have the Rubik's Cube, and in the blue corner we have the RSFRAM 2020. Let's start the fight. First round, performance, speed. I'm going to do my best PLNs, the JB pump, the UB pump, and the T pump, and see which cube's fast. Speedcube starts. Now the Rubik's Cube. Corner cutting. Let's try corner cutting. The Speedcube is better at corner cutting. No surprise. Magnets. The Rubik's Cube has no magnets. The Speedcube has. Well, they're not that good, but again, 12 basically turns by itself. The Speedcube wins because the Rubik's Cube has no magnets. Round 2. Other things. Price. The RSFRAM 2020 only costs $9. Yes, cheap. How much does Rubik's Cube cost? I mean, it's worse at performances, so it costs $20! What the actual color? Let's look at white first. They look pretty similar, but I think the Speedcube looks a bit better. The Rubik's Cube green looks like... what even is this? Orange looks like brown, and brown looks like blue looks fine, black looks fine too, and yellow. I like the Speedcube yellow more because it's more shiny. Third round, average of 5. Because the Rubik's Cube is so bad, I make it a bit unfair. The Rubik's Cube and the Speedcube will get the same scramble. Scrambles in the description, so I start with the Speedcube so I can remember the scramble. Next is the Rubik's Cube. Red logo is actually better. Summary. The Speedcube was better, so this video wasn't necessary. You still watched it. Thanks for watching.